Hey everyone, welcome back to Everyday Barbecue. My name is Mike and today I'm going to be doing a video recipe request. It's a pizza burger, but I'm doing it SmashBurger style out on the Blackstone Griddle, and it's coming up right now. Hey everybody, welcome back. It's really good to see you. Thanks so much for being here. Thank you so much for all your support. I truly appreciate it. I've got the membership option open here now on YouTube, and you can also join on Patreon. There's lots of different ways. I think I have 0 patrons right now over 5 years because I never tell anyone. And, you know, this is my full-time job now, so I guess I should probably start letting you guys know about all that stuff. Anyway, on my last video, it was a burger video, and I kind of talked about how I love to do burgers and asked for some suggestions. And one of my longtime supporters, Salty Crow, chimed in with a pizza burger from his childhood. So what I started to get to think about was, well, what if one of my kids asked me for a pizza burger? You know, what would I do and how would I put it together? So anyway, this is what I came up with. And I'm going to show you everything that I'm working with, and then we'll put it all together. So I've got 2 quarter-pound burger patties here, or they're going to be patties soon when I smash them down. So this is going to be a double. It's going to be about a ½ pound. These are roughly a quarter pound each. We've got some garlic salt, some garlic powder, a little bit of softened butter, Italian seasoning, Parmesan cheese, pepperoni, mozzarella cheese, tomato sauce, and a burger bun. Now, I wanted to go with something that had a little bit of a doughy look to it, and this is kind of the closest thing that I could come up with. Now, I don't want to carry all this stuff outside, so we're going to go ahead and do a little bit of the prep here. So here in this pot, I just have a little bit of tomato sauce. This is just, I think, maybe an 8-ounce can, and this was pre-salted, so I'm not going to add any salt, but I'm going to be adding, first off, some Italian seasoning, maybe a little more than a teaspoon. Parmesan cheese, which I like a lot of. Again, just a little bit more than a teaspoon. And a little bit of garlic powder. That's probably about maybe ½ a teaspoon, but I'll have all the details for this down in the description, so don't worry about it. Now I just want to give this a quick stir to get all this combined, and this is just simply going to sit on the griddle top to warm while we're getting the burger set up. And there we go, that's set. Now for the burger bun, I just want to get some of this softened butter on here for when we toast. Now we'll hit this up with a little bit of garlic powder just to give it some more flavor. All right, bun's ready for toasting. Now I've got some mozzarella cheese here and some pepperoni, and I'm going to try to do something pretty cool on the griddle with that. But first, I just need to go ahead and cut these pepperonis into smaller pieces. So just once across. Cross again, and I just kind of want to separate these. So now that we have less stuff to carry outside, I'm going to get what I need to move out there, get the griddle preheated, and then we're going to put this burger together. I'll meet you outside. So I've got my sauce on the far right side. Those burners, or that one burner on that side, is completely off. The others are all on medium high. And I just checked this. Actually, I'll do it again with the infrared. And I'm at 510 degrees. That's going to be good. So let me get these pepperonis on really quick just so they can kind of get a little crispy. And then the burger patties are going to go on, and then we're going to smash. Just going to kind of keep those on the cooler side there, just to let them get a little bit of a crisp. And so I don't have to do it later, let me get a little toast on these buns. This bun, I should say. Boy, that smells good. That butter and that garlic just hitting the griddle. I hope what I'm going to do with this cheese and this pepperoni works out. I mean, I've done it before. That's all I could tell you. Beautiful. Same thing there. Now time for the burger. Let's get this smashed. Some larger patties. I don't know if you can hear me now.
But these are definitely some larger patties. And I just want to get those edges stamped down nicely. Oh yeah, look at that, boy. Oh yeah, nice thin and crispy edges we're gonna have. Let me get this out of the way. Now I just want to get this cheese on here. Let that start to melt. Stir this sauce a little. And let's flip these bad boys. Gorgeous. So there's what I have going on with my cheese. There's my pepperoni. There's those beautiful burger patties. And the sauce. Get these pepperonis on top of that cheese. They're nice and crispy. All right, I have to shift these cameras around again for this build. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'll be back in a second. All right, let's put this together. Patty 1. Patty 2. And now, let's see if we can nail this. Come on, cheese. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. A nice little cheese skirt there. And I'm going to drizzle some of this sauce on here. Might be too much, but oh well. All right. And the crown. All right, I'm gonna get these cameras moved back inside. I'll get you some good lighting. We'll cut into this. We'll do a taste test. All right, well, it ain't pretty, but it sure does smell pretty. Let's cut it open. You can see all those crispy pepperonis in there. And that cheese skirt with that mozzarella, that's going to give us a little bit of crispiness, but it's still going to be really, really cheesy. All right. Well, Salty Crow, this is my creation for you. I hope you like it. And please keep those requests coming in. Let me know down below what you'd like to see me do. I love to do burgers. So if you've got some burger ideas, put them down there, please. And leave me any kind of comment, and please hit the thumbs up, all right? I really need it. And I really appreciate it. I hope YouTube shows this video to lots of people. And that's all I got to say. Cheers, everyone. Oh my God, that's good. Look at those crispy burger edges and that crispy cheese from that cheese skirt. I got to get a little into that. All right, that's just fantastic. All right, so looks can be deceiving with this because this is one of the ugliest burgers I've ever made. Maybe you'll disagree with me. It just didn't seem very photogenic to me. And I didn't know how it was going to turn out. I didn't do a test run on this. This is just inspire, create. But I will say that taste-wise, this is way, way, way up there. Those crispy pepperonis, that crispiness from that cheese, but that still cheesiness with the mozzarella. The crispy edges on those burger patties, those other pizza flavors, and that garlic and those Italian seasonings that's in the sauce. I mean, this is really fantastic. So I hope somebody will see this video and it'll inspire them to do their own version of a pizza burger, maybe have some company over or cook for your family, whatever it is. That's what this channel is all about, inspiration and people spending time together cooking. So, hey, that's it for today. Really appreciate everything. Please check down below. You can see all the ways you can support me. Take care until next time. I'll see you on the next episode.